First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the headlight, and behind the headlight there's the plug for the low beam bulb. This is the driver side front, so this spot is a little tight, but the passenger side has a little bit more room to punch in your arm. For this video, we will keep it to the driver side only. We will punch in our arm, grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise. Once the plug is turned up until 90 degrees, then we will pull out the plug along with the bulb. Notice once the bulb is out, we never touch the glass portion with our fingers. Our fingers have some sort of grease, and if we end up touching the glass portion and down the road when the bulb is on and it gets heated up, it's going to burn the bulb because of that grease. Now we will press the tab of the plug and then pull the bulb outwards. So the way we took out the bulb is we press and hold that tab of the plug right there and then pull the bulb outwards. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. Just make sure the tab portion of the bulb itself is matching with the tab portion of the plug right there. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the plug in the bulb. It's a little tight spot right there, so you have to work your way out. There we got the bulb inside the plug. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug where we took it out from. We make sure the plug is completely in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, and with that we are done with the replacement of low beam bulb. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.